Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today we're going to learn how to use and create a Maiar Defi wallet. Now before I can proceed with the details, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done yet, and please do not forget to press the bell icon. Besides that, you're going to find few links. Make sure that you join the Telegram group because that's the place where you're going to get most of the updates. Last and the most important thing is the disclaimer. Please take some time to read the disclaimer. So now, why do we need a Maiar Defi wallet? And now, for those who don't know, Maiar.exchange as of today is the topmost exchange in terms of volume on the decentralized platforms. From the decentralized platforms means it has exceeded PancakeSwap, Ethereum Swap, and all the sushi swaps and everyone. And right now, based on volume, it's the number one decentralized exchange. So you can verify this on CoinMarketCap. I'm going to be covering a separate video explaining the Maiar exchange. I've already covered a video on creation of the Elrond web wallet. Today's video we are going to learn about the Maiar Defi wallet. Probably I will do a Maiar app video how to go about using it. And right now, let's go ahead. The Ledger app is just like any other app you connection. So I'm not going to be focusing on that. So let's click on this. So when you click on this, I'm going to be sharing this link in your description. You can pick it up from here. And when you say add to Chrome, okay, you say add to Chrome and add extension. Okay, so we've had our extension over here. Okay, so I will go to my extensions, and you can see here from all the wallets I have your Maiar Defi wallet. So I'm going to click it and try to basically open it here. Yeah, let's open it. So when you try to open, if you have already used a Trust Wallet, MetaMask extension, or a TronLink wallet or similar decentralized wallets, this will be a breeze for you. For the benefit of people who have never probably used, I'm going to explain the process. Now, if you already have a wallet, you can import your existing wallet over here. If you don't have, you just click on create new wallet, and here you're going to be seeing your secret phrase. Make sure that you're not sharing with anyone. I'm not going to be using this particular wallet anywhere, and I'm going to be deleting it immediately post this video. So I'm taking the liberty to show you my secret phrase. Make sure you're writing it down somewhere on a piece of paper and taking 2-3 backups of that, and keeping it in a secure place so that you can retrieve it as and when you need it. So I'm confirming that I've taken a backup over here, and as I've mentioned, I'll be deleting this wallet. So please don't take the effort to try and use this phrase and try to recover the wallet. Okay, so let's click on continue. Once you do that, then it's asking me for the some random words from that. Word number 23. Word number 23 over here was box. Then word number 19 was camp. And then word 3 was benefit. Okay, so once I've done this and I click on continue, then I need to punch in a password, because to use this we require a password to prevent unauthorized use. So I'm going to select a password. It will be typically the combination of uppercase, lowercase, numerical, and special characters, minimum 8 ones. That's what will be the requirement. So done, our wallet is created. We are ready. So you can see that this is our eGold wallet. Balance obviously is 0. Now if I need to deposit, I just need to click on the deposit option over here, scan the QR code, or you can copy this particular address to deposit over here. And if you intend to send, then it is like just any other wallet, you can send over here, and the amount of this thing you want to send, like here e-gold, because by default it is, if any other token is there, it would be that. The fee is in e-gold, so you will need to have e-gold for paying this particular transactions over here. And then you have the other options, wherein all the tokens whichever are there, you're going to be finding it over here. And then these NFTs, if you are even having anything, then the settings over here, like whatever the mainnet you want to use, or testnet, etc., developer net, etc., your wallet address, if you want to add any, import any wallet address, you can create over here, and your password change, etc. So basically, if you have seen the other video of the Elrond web wallet, that is because you need your JSON file, .json file, or your key store file, and your password over here. But in this case, your password would be sufficient. So let's just click it out and try and click the this thing over here. And since I've already logged in, okay, I can very well see the details. So this was a short crisp video. I suppose you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did so, please do give it the video a lot of likes. Do share it across so that it reaches to more and more number of people. And finally, if you have any queries, you can always ask me in the comment section. And before winding off, a humble request that if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would request you to kindly do so now. So until the next video, take care and be safe.